Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix the file system error 1073741521 in Windows. To fix this error, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After opening the command prompt, type the command sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Please wait, it will take some time. After finishing the command, type another command DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Press Enter. Please wait, it will take some time. After finishing the command, please restart the computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.